Ever found yourself staring blankly at a customer trying to pay, wondering if there's a faster, smoother way to handle their transaction? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency isn't just a luxury. It's a necessity for any thriving business. And when it comes to taking payments, the right tools can make all the difference between a seamless experience and a frustrating bottleneck. Think about it. You've got a great product, fantastic service, and loyal customers. But then comes the moment of truth: payment. Fumbling for change, manually keying in card numbers, or dealing with outdated systems can not only slow things down but also leave a less than professional impression. In a world where customers expect convenience and speed, having the right payment processing capabilities is crucial for staying competitive and keeping those positive experiences flowing. Now, if you're using Acuity Scheduling, you're already leveraging a powerful tool to manage your appointments, streamline your booking process, and ultimately save you valuable time. But what about when it comes to getting paid for your services? Does Acuity, in its already impressive suite of features, also offer a direct way to handle those in-person transactions? That's the question we're diving deep into today. Does Acuity have a built-in card reader? To truly answer this, we need to understand the core functionality of Acuity Scheduling. At its heart, Acuity is designed to manage your schedule. It excels at allowing clients to book appointments online, sending automated reminders, and keeping your calendar organized. It integrates seamlessly with various online payment processors, allowing you to collect payments at the time of booking or send invoices for later payment. This online payment capability is a cornerstone of Acuity's strength, allowing businesses to operate efficiently in the digital realm. However, the crucial distinction lies in in-person transactions. While Acuity is fantastic for handling online payments through integrations with platforms like Stripe, Square, and PayPal, its primary focus isn't on providing a proprietary, physical card reader. Think of it this way: Acuity is the central hub for managing your appointments and client information, and it connects with specialized payment processors to handle the financial transactions. So, if a client walks into your physical location and wants to pay with a credit or debit card, can you directly connect a card reader to Acuity and process the payment? The short answer, as of my last update, is no. Acuity Scheduling itself doesn't offer its own branded, integrated card reader hardware. But hold on, that doesn't mean you're out of options. The beauty of Acuity lies in its robust integration capabilities. While Acuity doesn't have its own card reader, it seamlessly connects with popular payment processors that do offer card readers. This means you can leverage the power of Acuity for your scheduling and client management while utilizing the hardware and processing capabilities of a dedicated payment platform for your in-person transactions. Let's take a closer look at some of these integrations. Stripe, for example, is a widely used payment processor that integrates beautifully with Acuity. Stripe offers a range of card readers that you can purchase and connect to your devices. When you process a payment through Stripe's card reader, the transaction details can be linked back to the corresponding appointment or client information within Acuity. This ensures a cohesive record of your services and payments. Similarly, Square is another popular choice for businesses that handle both online and in-person payments. Square offers its own suite of user-friendly card readers that integrate seamlessly with their payment processing platform. By connecting your Square account to your Acuity account, you can take payments in person using Square's hardware, and those payment details can be synchronized with your Acuity records. PayPal, while primarily known for online payments, also offers card readers through its PayPal Here service. This provides another avenue for Acuity users to handle in-person transactions by integrating their PayPal account. The key takeaway here is that while Acuity doesn't have its own card reader, it acts as a central platform that connects with industry-leading payment processors that do. This allows you to create a comprehensive payment solution tailored to your specific needs. You get the best of both worlds: Acuity's powerful scheduling and client management features combined with the reliable and versatile card processing capabilities of platforms like Stripe, Square, or PayPal. So, how does this actually work in practice? Let's imagine you run a small spa. A client comes in for a massage and wants to pay with their credit card after their appointment. Since Acuity doesn't have its own card reader, you would use a card reader provided by one of its integrated payment processors, say Square. You would process the payment using your Square reader and the Square point of sale, POS, app on your phone or tablet. Because your Square account is linked to your Acuity account, you can easily associate this payment with the client's appointment in Acuity, ensuring your records are accurate and up-to-date. This integration offers several benefits. Firstly, it streamlines your workflow. You can manage your schedule, client information, and payments all within a connected ecosystem. Secondly, it provides flexibility. You can choose the payment processor and card reader that best suits your business needs and budget. Thirdly, it enhances the customer experience by offering a smooth and professional payment process, whether they're paying online or in person. Now, it's important to note that the specific setup process for integrating a card reader with Acuity will depend on the payment processor you choose. Each platform will have its own instructions for connecting their hardware and linking your accounts. Typically, this involves connecting your payment processor account within your Acuity settings and potentially downloading the payment processor's POS app to handle the physical card transactions. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information on integrating specific card readers with Acuity, the best resource is always the official Acuity scheduling help documentation and the support resources provided by your chosen payment processor, Stripe, Square, PayPal, etc. These resources will provide step-by-step guides and troubleshooting tips to ensure a smooth integration process. In conclusion, while Acuity scheduling doesn't have its own proprietary card reader, it seamlessly integrates with leading payment processors like Stripe, Square, and PayPal, which do offer their own card readers. This allows you to efficiently handle in-person payments by leveraging the hardware and processing capabilities of these platforms while keeping your scheduling and client information organized within Acuity. It's a powerful combination that provides flexibility, streamlines your workflow, and ultimately enhances your customer's experience. So, the answer isn't a direct yes, but rather a more nuanced no, but it integrates beautifully with those that do. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.